How do I upgrade my Better World Club Roadside Assistance membership? If you are considering upgrading your Better World Club Roadside Assistance membership, you are in the right place. This process is straightforward and can enhance your roadside support. To get started, you will need to log into your member account on the Better World Club website. If you prefer, you can also reach out to their customer service directly for assistance. Better World Club offers several membership levels, each providing different services and benefits. The first option is the starter membership, which includes basic benefits and lifestyle discounts. If you are a cyclist, the bicycle membership adds bicycle-related roadside assistance to the starter benefits. For those who drive, the basic auto membership includes the starter benefits plus 5 miles of towing and standard roadside services like jump starts and flat tire assistance. If you want even more, the premium auto membership includes all the basic auto benefits, extended towing up to 100 miles, and additional services. To upgrade your membership, simply choose the higher tier plan that fits your needs. For example, if you currently have the basic auto membership and want to move to the premium auto membership, you will pay the difference in membership fees. This can be done online through your account or by calling Better World Club's membership services. Upgrading your membership gives you access to enhanced roadside assistance coverage. This includes longer towing distances and more comprehensive services, which can be beneficial in emergencies. From an auto insurance perspective, having Better World Club roadside assistance can complement your existing car insurance. While some car insurance policies offer roadside assistance as an add-on, Better World Club focuses on environmentally friendly services. Their plans cover both cars and bicycles, providing additional value if you want coverage beyond what your insurance policy includes. When considering an upgrade, think about your typical driving needs. How far might you need towing? Do you want coverage for bicycles or electric vehicles? Also, consider the cost difference between the membership tiers and how these roadside assistance benefits fit with your current car insurance coverage. Remember, if you need roadside assistance, you will call their 24/7 dispatch service. They operate through a network of independent contractors to provide service. Upgrading your membership increases your benefit limits and service options, ensuring you have the right level of support when you need it most. To sum it up, upgrading your Better World Club roadside assistance membership is simple. Log into your account or contact customer service, select a higher tier plan, and complete the payment. This upgrade will enhance your roadside assistance coverage alongside your car insurance, giving you broader and more flexible support in emergencies.